Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, my dear boys of grade 5? I hope you all will be fine. Here is your teacher, Mrs. Nawla, for the subject of English reading or writing. My dear students, today we are going to do words, meanings and sentences for lesson number 4 of unit 5. The title of this lesson is Changing Views of Earth. Last time we did the comprehension activity for this lesson, and today we will do words, meanings and sentences in the workshop book from page number 96 to page number 98. During our today's lesson, you are going to learn the meanings of words and how to use the words in sentences. The first word is approximately, with the meaning close to the exact quantity. Close to the exact quantity is the meaning for the word approximately. Now you are going to write the sentence. I will dictate to you. We need approximately 150 milliliter water for the experiment. We need approximately 150 milliliter water for the experiment. For example, if you are going to do an experiment in the science lab under the supervision of your teacher, who will ask you to get water approximately 150 milliliter. It means if you get water in any pot almost 145 or 140 milliliter, that will be okay, because that will be approximately the same amount or quantity what is required for the experiment. Our number 2 word is astronomical. Astronomical is our next word with a meaning related to the study of universe. Related to the study of universe is the meaning for astronomical. Now you will write the sentence. Telescope is one of the most important astronomical instruments. Telescope is one of the most important astronomical instruments. Yes, my dear, this is a telescope. If you want to study different dimensions of the universe, so what do you need? First of all, you need a telescope. So it is a very good device or an instrument to study the astronomical features of the universe. Number 3 word is calculation with the meaning counting. Write the sentence. I can do any calculation without any device. I can do any calculation without any device. For example, if you claim to be having good expertise in doing subtraction, addition, multiplication or division of big numbers without any calculator or device, so it means you are very good at doing calculation. Number 4 word is criteria with the meaning a test to judge someone. A test to judge someone is the meaning for criteria. Now you are going to write the sentence. I meet the criteria for selection in the team. For example, if your teacher wants to select the best goalkeeper for the football team, so what will he do? He will set a criteria. Means anyone who can run very fast, anyone who can jump very high, anyone whose fitness is very ideal, so he will be selected as the goalkeeper of the team. It means he meets all the criteria for the selection in the team. Number 5 word is diameter. Now you are going to write the meaning of diameter. A straight line passing through a circle. A straight line passing through a circle is the meaning of diameter. Now you will write the sentence. We need a scale to measure the diameter of this big circle. We need a scale to measure the diameter of this big circle. Now you can see this is a circle. This is a circle. Now a straight line is passing through this circle here. According to the definition of diameter, a straight line that passes through a circle is called a diameter, right? You will study more about this diameter, radius and circumference in your mathematics. Next word is evaluate. To check someone or something is the meaning for evaluate. Now write the sentence. The teachers will evaluate us tomorrow. Means there will be different kinds of quizzes or examinations tomorrow, and teacher will check us. He will evaluate us. He will determine our performance. Yes, my dear students, when there are different kinds of examinations or quizzes in the school, so what is the purpose of all those tests or evaluations? A teacher wants to know who is excellent, who is good, or who is just fair or poor, right? Anyone who is attending the classes regularly, any student who is very good in behavior, anyone who is always scoring maximum marks in the examinations or quizzes, so teacher will evaluate him as an excellent student in the school. Next word is orbit. The word orbit can be a verb or a noun. Here we are going to use this word as a verb. Please write the meaning: to revolve around an object. To revolve around an object is the meaning for orbit. Now you are going to write the sentence. It takes a year for the earth to orbit the sun. It takes a year for the earth to orbit the sun is the sentence for orbit. I will repeat. It takes a year for the earth to orbit the sun. Yes, my dear student, you can see this is our star sun. As you know, star doesn't move, right? So our earth is a planet. So being a planet, it revolves or orbits around the sun. So how much time does our earth need? Our earth needs approximately or nearly 1 year to orbit the sun. The last word is spheres. Spheres means round solid figures, means different kinds of balls or things which are having solid shape as well as round figure. Write the meaning: round solid figures for spheres. Now here is your sentence. There are many celestial spheres in the universe. There are many celestial spheres in the universe is the sentence for spheres. You can see here, if you will use your telescope, you will find a lot of planets, galaxies, and other astronomical bodies in the universe. So all those bodies are actually spheres because those are having round solid figures or shapes. So my dear students, so far we have done the words, meanings and sentences for our lesson number 4 of unit 5. What are you going to do as your homework? You will revise all these things at least twice at home and write these meanings of the words and sentences correctly. Please make sure there is no spelling mistakes. See you next time with a new lesson. Till then, bye bye.